Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. My name is Rukia Laltia. Let's learn how to make these creamy potatoes, chimichurri sauce plus stack. Without further ado, let's begin with our recipe. We'll start by making our chimichurri sauce. I'll start by adding some red chilies, some parsley. I've used the dry ones, but if you have the fresh ones, go ahead and add them. Some oregano, some salt to taste, black pepper. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and lastly squeeze some lime. Then mix everything well and our chimichurri sauce is ready. Next we're going to make our steak. Clean and pat dry the steak completely. Then add some salt. I've used some sea salt, black pepper, and some garlic powder. Rub the spices with the steak very well on both sides, and it's high time to cook our steak. Place a pan on a high heat, add some butter. Once hot, place your steak and cook it on a high heat on both sides for 1 minute. Then reduce the flame and then cook the steak for approximately 2 to 3 minutes until medium rare. But if you want your steak to be completely dry, that's up to you. But personally, I want my steak to be medium rare. Then lastly, I'm going to add some rosemary. If you have fresh rosemary, go ahead and add them. It's going to add an extra amazing smell to your steak, and once ready, place it aside for 3 minutes before cutting your steak. Lastly, we're going to make our creamy potatoes. Cut your potatoes and place them in a pot with some water and some salt. Cover and let the potatoes to cook until soft. Once ready, drain the water, and it's high time to mash our potatoes. If you want your potatoes to be super creamy, then use a sieve like so, then mash them completely. Then once ready, we're going to sprinkle some salt, black pepper, some butter, and some milk, and mix everything well, and our creamy mashed potatoes is ready. And yes, finally, this is the time to serve our food. I know at this point you're super hungry. Serve your creamy potatoes. Like, look how these potatoes are super creamy. Add your steak. This is how you cook your steak. The steak has to be medium rare. And lastly, drizzle that chimichurri sauce. Oh my goodness, I'm going to cut it so you can able to see how super soft the steak was. Oh my god, from a scale to 1 to 10, this food was super tasty, and I hope you guys are going to try out this recipe. And please kindly do give this video a big thumbs up, do share, and of course subscribe and follow me on all my social media platforms. I use Rukia Laltia, and see you next time. Bye bye.